This is why you need to hit subscribe. Deliciousness awaits. Today, we're serving up some of the tastiest, easiest to make recipes you'll ever try. From savory dinners to sweet treats, we've got everything to satisfy your cravings. But don't just take our word for it. Join the Culinary Recipe Creations community and see for yourself. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our drool-worthy dishes. Like this video if you're hungry for more and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. And of course, don't forget to share with your fellow foodies and hit the notification bell for your daily dose of deliciousness. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed our foodie recipe tutorial. Let us know what you think in the comments below. We hope to see you back here very soon. Take care and see you in the next video.
Hey there, food lovers. Welcome to another exciting culinary journey. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with a dish that's as easy to make as it is delicious to devour. We're talking about a recipe that combines simplicity with gourmet flair. Today, we're diving into a culinary adventure to create the ultimate tuna fish salad and pasta masterpiece. This dish is not only nutritious, but also bursting with flavors that will leave you craving for more. This recipe is perfect for a light lunch, a satisfying dinner, or even a delightful picnic basket addition. Imagine enjoying this delicious meal under the open sky. So grab your aprons, folks, and let's get cooking. With just a few simple steps, you'll be able to create a dish that looks as good as it tastes. This is one recipe symphony you won't want to miss. The harmony of flavors will dance on your palate. Remember, in the world of food, everyone's a critic, and trust me, this dish will earn you rave reviews. So let's get started and make some culinary magic happen. Before we begin our culinary concerto, let's gather our star performers, the ingredients. Each one plays a crucial role in creating a symphony of flavors. For this recipe, we'll need a variety of fresh and pantry staples to bring out the best in our dish. First, 1 pound of cooked pasta, your favorite shape, whether it's fusilli, penne, or farfalle. Choose what you love. Next, 2 cans, 5 ounces each, of tuna in water, drained well to avoid excess moisture. Then, half a cup of creamy mayonnaise to bind everything together. A 1/4 cup of chopped celery adds a delightful crunch and freshness. A 1/4 cup of chopped red onion for a bit of sharpness and color. 1 tablespoon of sweet pickle relish to introduce a hint of sweetness and tang. 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard for a subtle kick and depth of flavor. And finally, season with salt and pepper to taste, balancing all the flavors perfectly. Remember, the key to a great dish lies in the freshness of your ingredients. Freshness ensures vibrant flavors and textures. So grab the best quality ingredients you can find and let's get cooking. The better the ingredients, the better the final dish. Our culinary journey begins with preparing the perfect foundation for our symphony of flavors, the pasta. Cook your favorite pasta according to package directions. I'm using rotini today, but feel free to use penne, farfalle, or any shape that tickles your fancy. Once the pasta is cooked al dente, that means it's cooked through but still has a little bite to it, drain it in a colander and rinse it under cold water to stop the cooking process. Now set it aside and let's move on to our next act. Section 4. Act 2, the tuna tango. Now let's give our tuna a little stage presence. In a large bowl, combine the drained tuna, mayonnaise, celery, red onion, sweet pickle relish, and Dijon mustard. Gently fold the ingredients together until they're well combined. Be careful not to overmix, as we don't want our tuna to turn mushy. We want it to retain its texture and flavor. Section 5. Act 3, the grand finale. Combining our ensemble. The moment we've all been waiting for is finally here. It's time to combine our perfectly cooked pasta with the flavorful tuna mixture. Add the cooked and drained pasta to the bowl with the tuna salad. Gently toss everything together until the pasta is evenly coated with the creamy tuna mixture. Season generously with salt and pepper to taste. Remember, tasting as you go is key to achieving culinary perfection. Section 6, curtain call. Serving and savoring the applause. Congratulations, culinary maestros. You've reached the pinnacle of your culinary journey. You've just orchestrated a symphony of flavors that will leave your taste buds singing. Each ingredient has played its part to perfection. Now it's time for the grand finale, serving and savoring this delightful dish. Present it with pride and watch the smiles light up the room. Serve your tuna pasta salad immediately or chill it in the refrigerator for a refreshing treat later. The choice is yours, and either way, it's bound to be delicious. You can enjoy it as is or pair it with a side of your favorite chips or a crisp salad. The versatility of this dish makes it perfect for any occasion. No matter how you choose to enjoy it, one thing's for sure, this tuna pasta salad is guaranteed to be a crowd pleaser. It's a dish that brings people together. So there you have it, folks. A culinary masterpiece that's both simple and satisfying. A simple, delicious, and easy-to-follow recipe for tuna fish salad and pasta that will have you saying bravo after every bite. Each mouthful is a celebration. Until next time, happy cooking. Keep experimenting and enjoying the art of creating delicious meals.
Curious about becoming a kitchen wizard? You're in the right spot. Welcome to Culinary Recipe Creations. We're your go-to spot for mouth-watering recipes that'll make your taste buds dance. From quick snacks to gourmet dinners, we've got it all. New to cooking? No worries. Our step-by-step tutorials are perfect for beginners and seasoned chefs alike. Ready to level up your cooking game? Hit that subscribe button and join our foodie family. Like what you see? Give us a thumbs up, drop a comment, and don't forget to share with your friends. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious update. Thanks so much for watching. We hope to see you soon. Bye for now and take care.